Hey guys, this is John over at Toyota Grand Rapids. What I have right behind me is a 2020 Rav4 XSE Hybrid all-wheel drive. So that's a lot of words for a really, really good car. So this is in blueprint, which is one of my absolute favorite colors. It comes with a moonroof, it comes with a power liftgate, but it also comes with the latest Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 technology. Okay, so you have everything that Toyota's come up with so far for keeping you safe in this vehicle, and that's standard on all of the Rav4s. Okay, you also have a blind spot monitor, so if a vehicle's coming up and you don't see it, you'll see the illumination there to let you know someone's there. So inside we have a lot of things to cover. I'm not going to cover all of them. We have all the latest technology, we have navigation, we have premium audio, but my favorite feature is actually right here, and this is the digital rear view mirror. If you're going on a trip and you have the back of your car completely packed with stuff, you flip this like you would normally, but it gives you a digital rear view mirror. It uses a camera. You don't have to worry about anything cluttering up the back. It uses a camera right from the back and gives you a wide view. So it's an awesome feature. And this Rav4 is the best-selling SUV in America right now. We have 0% financing on Rav4 Hybrids for 60 months. Come in today and get yourself one. Thanks so much.